Welcome back guys, I hope you are learn a lot from this playlist. Today I come with one more update. T15 exam held on 19th December on first slot start on 10 to 11:30 and same on 20th December. Now I am sharing one more problem statement. This exam happened on 8th December but due to some technical glitch students are not able to complete this exam. But I have the complete problem statement. Please check and try to solve this, and if you guys follow my previous videos so you can easily complete this task.